So David Dobrik just got cancelled and he's lost over $20 million in the last 3 days. So let's get right into it. Now I'm not sure if y'all have heard, but after being a part of an alleged rape, YouTube megastar David Dobrik ended up losing his sponsors and $20 million in company investments. And on top of that, he's also lost 300,000 subscribers in under 3 days. And the situation is escalating further as we speak. Now if y'all are the OGs of YouTube and remember the thrift store version of the Jersey show called the Vlog Squad, then you'll remember the nymphit called Dom. I mean, his nickname is as close to the condom as it gets, so you'd expect some sort of sexual misconduct. And as bad as his influencer's campaign was, shit finally hit the fan. So in one of the vlogs, Dom gets into a threesome and turns out one of the girls was wasted and didn't even give her consent because she had no idea about what was going on. And now she's pressing charges. I mean, there's a video of David Dobrik where you can hear him cop out.
Dom just had a threesome and I think we're all
going to jail. Oh man.
I think we're all going to jail.
Alright.
Oh,
that's it. Man. See you in 20 years.
And now that this girl has come out with these allegations, hundreds more are coming out with their story too. And even Bad Baby's in the mix now. I mean, it's common sense that an enabler is just as guilty as an offender.
Common sense.
And in the video, a bunch of them actually snuck a peek into the room for a head count and even made snide remarks about how good it looked. Yet none of them thought to say a damn word about a girl that's wasted and may or may not be fully conscious for her actions. And nowadays, YouTubers getting cancelled is some temporary drama. A few sub drops here and there which eventually will get back to usual, a few sponsors will pull away, but the elephant in the room here has to be David Dobrik.
We need to acknowledge the elephant in the room.
Losing his key investor for a startup called Dispo. And now, the company could very well be in jeopardy with investors dropping out to distance themselves from this messy situation. I mean, this could be a life-altering situation for David Dobrik, no doubt. But then there's a few people out there who pity him and find that the backlash is undeserved. Yes, he did help launch Dom's and many other YouTubers' careers, and one slip later, Dom single-handedly ruined years of efforts that David's put into building up his reputation, and also the company.
Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
But then again, there's two sides of the story which people seem to ignore. Firstly, whether you like it or not, David Dobrik's always approved of Dom's behavior. I mean, Dom was a ticking time bomb for some sort of sexual misconduct throughout his time in the apartment, where they'd shoot these Vlog Squad vlogs and David would in turn encourage him and his behavior. Secondly, instead of realizing they fucked up,
We fucked up.
when the vlog was being shot in 2018, David made it sound like it was probably the best thing that could happen to those girls. I mean, first of all, they were clearly underage, and they were wasted by the time they were being escorted to Dom's room. I mean, the girl was raped in the video, and he made it look like it was a fun time, just because he was a big name celebrity at the time. She even said that the video was edited in such a way that it didn't portray the level of intoxication. And what's worse is, he isn't even acknowledging his fuck up, even though on the day itself, this is what him and his members had to say.
Dom just had a threesome and I think we're all
going to jail. Oh man.
I think we're all going to jail.
Now I'll leave some links to some of these videos in the description down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Now they've both made videos addressing the situation, and they're as half-assed as apology videos get. I mean, the video is titled Let's Talk, but he turned the comments off. Guess he meant for us to talk about it, but not to him. And people are divided over this controversy. One half wants to let all hell loose on David Dobrik, while another section of the public seems to be in David's support. So I guess we'll find out in time where this lands David, and if he'll ever recover from this damage that situation has caused. Now what do you guys think about the situation? Let me know down in the comment section below, and while you're at it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.